How to be a Ninja Turtle. First, you gotta wear green, dude. Drink ooze to mutate. Yum. Find the theme song on YouTube and dance while you transform. Eat pizza, of course, and more foods with ooze dip like fruits and veggies. Pick your turtle, and of course, you gotta wear a mask, whether homemade or store bought. Train with Splinter Says. Splinter Says, wax on. Now use your ninja skills in a turtle game such as Shredder's Revenge on the Nintendo Switch. Then refuel with Turtle Chow for dessert. Now let's learn how to make all these foods, and all the recipes are on our website. Party at my house! The masks you can make in advance. You can grab this pack of green plates from Dollar Tree. The patterns are also available on our website, which you may not need. You could just freehand it. First, cut the outline and then cut the eye mask off the pattern, including the eye holes, so that you can trace them on your colored paper. And then, of course, trace them, and don't cut out the eye holes yet until you've glued them onto the paper plate, so you can cut out both layers at the same time. Then you might need to trim it up a little bit because it gets a little ragged. Punch the string holes, tie on the strings. You can use ribbon or twine. For Splinter, you want to use brown paper, and you don't need to buy a separate white paper plate. Just flip over the green one and use the white side, and glue everything but the ears, and trace his teeth on. Cut out the eyes, draw the details with a black marker, punch the string holes and cut the teeth area, then attach your strings and tie it behind your head with a bow. Turtle Chow you can also make in advance. First, you need to color the powdered sugar with liquid food coloring, not gel, or it's not going to work well. And then you want to make just Muddy Buddies like regular with your chocolate chips, peanut butter, and butter. Microwave it for 1 minute and give it a good stir. You might need to microwave it more if it's not smooth enough. Add your vanilla, and then just pour your chocolate mixture into the cereal and mix it really well. Of course, that's going to make it look muddy like Muddy Buddies, but your color comes from your powdered sugar that you just colored. Scoop it into a great big bag and add your colored sugar. Mix it really well. And if it's not the color green you want yet, then you can add even more powdered sugar. This one probably needs more. Then Mike and Ike Mega Mix, not the regular Mike and Ike's. Find your turtle colors and sprinkle on top. Cheesecake Ooze Fruit Dip. We love this fruit dip. It's just 3 ingredients. Softened cream cheese that you beat, and then marshmallow cream and vanilla. Then you can color it if you want, which we did this time for the turtles. And you just want to make sure that you mix it so it gets nice and smooth. Scrape it down and beat it again. You can refrigerate until you're ready to go. And then you might as well use the green plate from Dollar Tree. Add some green grapes. And then you probably want to wait on your apples. They do turn brown until you're right about to eat, or add lemon juice. For veggies with ooze dip, it's so simple. It's just colored ranch dressing. Or you could use green goddess or cilantro lime ranch if you want it more natural green. We had orange carrots from Michelangelo, then cucumber slices and green pepper for our green turtles. Raphael pizza is also very simple. Just get a frozen cheese pizza and make his face with olive slices and pepperoni. You can add a little tail off to the side for his mask and bake as directed. And lastly, right before you eat, make your ooze drink because it will melt. So add your white or green sherbet to your blender. I used pineapple. Then at least a cup of lemon lime soda and some green food coloring, and blend till it's pourable. You might need more soda. Now party on, dude. Enjoy your food and your games. Make some fun memories. And make sure to subscribe for more ideas.